Good morning, students. Today we will start with chapter number 5, the Southern Plateaus. In this chapter, we will learn about the physical features, the rivers and the states lies in the Southern Plateaus. So let's start with the chapter, Southern Plateaus. The plateaus are the highland having a flat top. That is why they are also called the tableland. The Southern Plateaus are situated to the south of the Northern Plains and are in cone or triangular shape. These plateaus are surrounded by many hills all around by the Western Ghats in the west and the Eastern Ghats in the east, Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. The Narmada River separates the Southern Plateau into two unequal parts, that is the Central Highland in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. In the north, the Central Highlands are divided into two plateaus, that is Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Malwa Plateau, northwest part of the Central Highland, is called the Malwa Plateau, which lies in between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. Many rivers of this area join the Ganga and the Yamuna River, and the soil is fertile to grow many crops like cotton, oilseeds, etc. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Northeast part of the Central Highlands is called the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is very good source of natural resources like coal, iron, manganese and mica. The southern and the largest part of the Southern Plateau is known as the Deccan Plateau that lies across the Satpura Mountains and bounds the eastern or western Ghats. Many rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originates in this area. Godavari originates from Maharashtra. In Karnataka, the river Kaveri is regarded as Dakshin Ganga. Generally, all these rivers flow from the west to east and fall into Bay of Bengal, except river Narmada and Tapi, which flows into the Arabian Sea. Do you know, children, why these rivers flow from west to east? Because the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. All these rivers are rain-fed. That is why sometimes they cause floods and sometimes they are dry. Due to the uneven surface, the rivers of Deccan Plateaus form many waterfalls like Jog Falls. The Southern Plateau covers the following states. First, Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Its main cities are Bokaro, Jamshedpur and Dhanbad. Agriculture and mining is the main occupation here. Wheat, rice, bajra are the main crops. Belta forest and waterfalls are the major tourist attractions. Chow is the popular dance form of this state, and Jitya Puja, Karma Puja, Posh Mela are the festivals celebrated here. Second state is Madhya Pradesh. As we all know, Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Main occupation is agriculture, weaving, block printing, etc. Panna in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its diamond mines. Holi, Diwali and Eid are the main festivals celebrated here. Lota, Manch and God are famous dance forms. Kanha Tiger Reserve, Bandhavgarh National Park and Khajuraho temples, Sachi Stupa are famous tourist places here. People speak Hindi in this state. Next state is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Marathi is the spoken language of this state and the main crop is cotton. Petroleum is found the sea beds in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is popular festival celebrated here. Lavani is the folk dance of this state. Next state is Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Kannada is language spoken here. It is the main center of IT industry. This state is famous for sandalwood items. Spices and coffee are grown here. Popular dance form of this state is Yakshagana. This is the main dance form of this state. The next state is Telangana. Telugu is the language spoken here. It is famous for its beadry work. It has many industries like automobile, IT industries, etc. Kuchipudi is the main dance form of this state. This is all about this chapter. I hope you understand well. See you in the next class.